today I'm gonna say you something about SVG file in Doodly. Why we need it? We need it because it saves our time. We don't have to create the drawing paths by ourselves, we just have to load it from the file. I will show you everything on examples, but first let's have a look where you can find SVG files. The first way is to draw it by yourself. I will show you. I will draw a Santa Claus for you. I will use simple online tool. All links from this tutorial I will enclose in the description so you can just focus on the subject. Alright, so I will draw the Santa Claus and it will speed up the video. Okay, Santa Claus is ready. We can save it as SVG file and we can import it into Doodly. Now you have to just click edit option, scroll down and press load SVG path. That's it. It's like 1 second job, one click and it's done. It's really great. But of course it's not always so beautiful. Now we'll go to the stock websites and download some files, colored one, because colored picture makes trouble, and I want to show you what trouble you can face during the process. Okay, so let's go to my favorite pixabay.com. You have to remember to go under vector category always. There are of course many others stock websites like Shutterstock or freepik.com and many others, but I like Pixabay, so I will use it today. I will look for some puppy. There's a huge amount of graphics here. Let's take this one. Free download, vector graphic download. And let's call it doc2 SVG. Okay, go back to Doodly, import it. This is the first example. Let's go to edit options. Let's load SVG paths, save it, and let's preview. It looks creepy. I don't like it. So what can we do? We can find another picture. Let's check another one. Let's take this one. Free download, vector graphic download, doc3 SVG. Oh, there's no number, doc3. And now import it into Doodly. Okay, let's repeat the process. Scroll down, load SVG paths, save and return, and let's have a look. It's still creepy, and this one looks better. So as you can see, you have to check it and make corrections by hand, or just get rid of one and get another one. Let's think about what to do to make it look good, better. You can download the PNG version of this file. Sorry. PNG. Okay, let's call it doc2 PNG. Now we can go and find some online converter. I will type conversion PNG to SVG, and I will use this one because I use it usually. There is no English version, I cannot change it, I don't know why, but you have to just choose the file, doc2 PNG. You have to choose a final conversion format and click convert and download. Okay, so I will call it doc2 SVG converter, and let's see what happens. I go back to Doodly, plus button, browse files. Oh, great, it's like a ghost, like a small monster, but I like it. But as you can see, it's not always easy. Sometimes there are surprises like that. Let's import it. Load SVG paths. Okay, save and return, and preview. This one is creepy still, and this one is quite funny. Okay, the third option. The third option is to use vector graphic editing software. I use Inkscape, which is free. It's open source software, you can download it for free. There is many tutorials on YouTube how to use it, and I will show you what can we do to try to make it look better. Okay, so this is Inkscape. I will go to my folder and just drag my doc2 PNG file into Inkscape. If you have to resize it, you just need to click padlock because it keeps the proportions. Alright, and this is the object, this is the image, so there is no paths in it. So we need to go to path, trace bitmap, and we need, if the picture is colored, you have to choose colors, and you have to choose the number of color you want to use in final image. Let's say I want to use 8, alright. You see it's sharper now, so I will keep smoothness, and I will remove the background because I want it to be transparent. Click OK. Now you have two options of the picture. First one is the original PNG file, so I will delete it, and the second one is, as you can see, there is a lot of nodes, which means that the drawing path is inside, will be saved. So now we're gonna go to File, Document Properties, and we will resize page to content. I did it because I don't want the empty areas around the picture, so I just resize page to drawing. Alright, so that's it. Now we are gonna to save as doc2 SVG Inkscape, and we will see how it looks like. Okay, continue. There you go. Click edit, like always. Scroll down, load SVG paths, click OK. It's done. Save and return. I don't think it's gonna be okay. Let's preview. The first one, the second one, and the third one. It looks a little bit better, but not perfect. What else can we do? Let's go back to Inkscape. Go to Object and ungroup. Unclick, click again. As you can see, there is black and white, only black and white border. So we will check this part, the colored part. We will group it again, and or not, we will just delete it. I will show you the simple way. Okay, so we have only borders. We save this SVG files, so let's add 2 at the end. Go to Doodly, import the border, continue. Okay. Go to edit options, load SVG paths, save and return. And now let's make it like 5 seconds to check if it's alright. And now we will take this one and put exactly on the black and white border, and we will make it to just appear on the screen, not to be drawn. So check it out. In the first one, creepy. The second one, our ghost or monster. The third one, the middle option. And the fourth, borders and filling. So those are tips for you from me. I hope it was helpful. If you have any question or if you face any other problem with SVG files, please write down in comments and I will do my best to answer you. I promise this year I will try to make more videos, more tutorials, not only on Doodly but also about Doodly and other software I use. Alright, if you like the video and if you find it helpful, please subscribe my channel. And forgive me my English. I know I have a Polish accent and I make mistakes, but the most important for me is make you understand what I mean and make you understand what all these SVG files are all about. So I hope I did. See you next time. Bye bye.